Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to tell you about what you can do for increasing conversion rates on your e-commerce store using buyer protection services. So these are known all around the e-commerce community as a great way to provide buyer protection and shopper protection for your consumers. So there's three different options you can go with now, and I have to alert you about one of them that actually stopped offering their services recently due to losing their license agreement with the provider. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, so here we are at Norton Shopping Guarantee. So this is what I was using for a long time for all my stores, but I just got alerted that they are no longer offering their services because Norton isn't allowed. The website's still up though. So anyways, I just want to go over kind of what it is in the first place. Norton Shopping Guarantee is a buyer protection program. They provide consumers with $10,000 identity theft protection, $1,000 purchase guarantee, and $100 lowest price guarantee at no additional cost to the consumer. The vendor actually signs up and pays for this on a monthly basis. And yeah, that's a great way to increase conversion rates as an e-commerce business because people want to know that if the price goes down, that they can get reimbursed. That if something happens with the product they're buying, that they'll get reimbursed. And if something happens on the website and their identity gets stolen and they lose money because of that, they'll get reimbursed as well. But since Norton's no longer available, there's a couple of options. Number one is to actually still email them and ask them because I believe that they're offering the same seal but under the Dun and Bradstreet brand name instead of Norton. So you can go ahead and email them, customer support, and contact them and do that. There's two other options though. The people that are behind the Norton Shopping Guarantee actually provide the service, I believe it's BuySafe. And what they did is they licensed the Norton image. Now they're doing it with Dun Bradstreet. But BuySafe is the company. So you can actually go directly to BuySafe and get the same setup. It's just the branding, of course, isn't as well recognized, but it'll do about the same thing anyways. It'll give the consumer the protection they're looking for. Okay, so that's another option. Another one is 4X Buyer Protection by TrustGuard. The same guys that make TrustGuard make this. And you can go there and send them an email, sign up, and get the same kind of stuff going on from them. I'm not exactly sure on these guys' pricing because it's not listed on their website, but they are very similar to these two, so I would imagine the pricing is just about the same. And looks like they did price match up to $500 and things like that. So those are your options to go with nowadays. So if you're looking to increase conversion rates on your e-commerce store, especially for high-ticket drop shipping, definitely sign up with one of these services. You'll see the links below in the description. Also in the description below, you can get my free live webinar training and my free mini course and my free niches list for high-ticket drop shipping. So if you're looking to get started or scale the business you already have, this training is awesome. It includes everything you need to know in order to do that. So get in there today, guys. Link is below, or you can go to ecommerceparadise.com/free course. And at the link below as well, there is a link to the podcast. I definitely invite you to listen to my podcast and subscribe. It's an amazing podcast. I post almost daily, and there's tons of great content in there, both informational and inspirational and entertaining. Lots of interviews as well. So definitely dive into the podcast. Lots of good stuff there. Take it with you on the go in your headphones. And make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more updates and cool videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video.